How to draw Mr. P. We're going to start off by drawing a line going across our page. This will be for the lip of the hat. Then on both sides, we're going to draw a small diagonal line going upwards. Then we're going to draw a line going across, connecting those two lines we just drew. Next, we're going to draw two more lines going upwards, one on each side of the hat. Then we're going to connect the top of the hat by drawing two more lines going sideways. Then we're going to add a line for detail on his hat. Wow, Learn How to Draw Hub, Mr. P's hat looks great. Now let's draw his body. We're going to start towards the left side of the hat and we're going to draw a big backwards J-like shape. Then from the right side of the hat, we're going to draw a slightly curved line going down, connecting to that one we just drew. Great job, everyone! Make sure to stick around until the very end so that we can color in our drawings together. Now let's go ahead and draw the right arm. Next, we're going to draw the left arm. This one will be exactly like the right arm. We're going to draw a grenade in Mr. P's left hand. To do this, we're going to draw a circle in his hand, and then we're going to draw a small rectangle on top of that circle. Next, we're going to add a few lines for detail. Now we're going to go ahead and draw Mr. P's left leg. Then we're going to draw his right leg. Wow, Learn How to Draw Hub crew! Your drawings are looking great! Now let's go ahead and draw Mr. P's face. We're going to draw two big ovals for his eyes. Then we're going to go ahead and color those in. Next, we're going to draw a curved line on the bottom of Mr. P's body for a big smile. Then above his smile, we're going to draw two curved lines. This is how to draw Mr. P. Thanks for watching Learn How to Draw Hub. If you like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. And if you like step-by-step drawing tutorials, then make sure to subscribe. Let's go color in our drawings together.
Hey Learn How to Draw Hub crew, if you like videos like this one, then we highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button so that we can keep you updated on videos like this every single day.